Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Markich here with your outlook for September 9th, 2015. And we're going to have one more day of this heat and humidity today with this cold front approaching here from the west. This cold front will be an important player in our weather here going into Thursday, and actually today too. As ahead of this frontal boundary, we're going to have a prefrontal trough that's going to set up out ahead of it, and along that you will have an isolated thunderstorm chance here. I don't think most areas will see anything, but you will have the opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm in spots, and that would be favor the probably mid to late afternoon, mid-afternoon through early evening hours, we should say, for those for the thunderstorm chances. And then this frontal boundary will attempt to move through, but is moving very, very slowly. And because of that, there's an opportunity for some steady soaking rain here on Thursday, probably starting early in the morning already, and then heading throughout most of the day here on Thursday. Now, this particular model is not too thrilled with how much rain falls or actually forms this area of low pressure along on the frontal boundary, which at this point is sitting up here like this. Low pressure is forming along it. We do think the area of precipitation is going to be a little bit more filled in back here. And I want to go over the NAM here and show you the latest NAM image here. This is a look at where the NAM axis of precipitation is here. This is starting off here about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning here on Thursday. Just some light stuff at that point. This isn't anything incredibly heavy. But we do have the opportunity for those rain and storms pretty much all day. And you can see where it's just kind of hitting over the same areas here. So this will be a very beneficial thing. And, obviously we're in a drought situation here or close to it. And so what we need in that situation when the ground is excessively dry is not heavy rain that's going to fall all at once from a thunderstorm where you get those torrential downpours and all it's going to do is just run off. And the ground's not going to have the opportunity to soak it in, and this is one of those things that would definitely work to our benefit, because here this is over a long period, so you might get an inch of rain or an inch and a half of rain in some cases, and if you do get those amounts and it's spread out over a 12 to 15 hour period, it's not that big of a deal. This actually gives it time for the rain to sink in, so that's what we're looking for, and we're going to keep our fingers crossed that happens. We really could use this. Because it has been a while since we had any appreciable rainfall. Taking a look at temperatures real quick, here's what we're looking at today. Again, not quite as hot as it was yesterday. We had some record highs set yesterday in Newark, Mount Pocono. There's a couple places that got into the mid-90s. Allentown hit 95 yesterday. So not a record there, but definitely for that area, that was actually the hottest temperature recorded this entire year. And also we hit 95 in Reading, 94 in Philadelphia. I don't think we're hitting that today. I think we stick close to 90 degrees, maybe 90, 91, something like that. We're going to have a little bit more cumulus to deal with today. I mean, of course, the opportunity for the late day shower or thunderstorm along that prefrontal trough. So we're going to move past this system here, and this is looking at overnight Thursday night. Here's early Friday morning. You see there might be a leftover shower very early for our eastern sections here, but I think most of this is gone. And then we just have any morning clouds that are left over Friday morning will give way to partly cloudy skies. And I do think we improve. The humidity is going to be lower. Will be a dry day. And then Saturday starts off nice, I think. And then we're going to have increasing clouds throughout the day. And by the time we get to the late afternoon or evening hours, we could have some more rain moving through. Now, this is going to be an association with an area of low pressure that's moving up to our northwest here. Has associated warm front boundary with it that's going to drag through. And that is going to bring this area of rain here, primarily a Saturday night deal here. Okay, so this is not like one of those things that's going to ruin the entire weekend, I don't think. Of course, this is subject to change, but the timing amongst the models, the different model guidance we use, is pretty consistent, showing this coming in either very late in the day Saturday or Saturday evening, continuing through the night, at low pressure, of course, bringing this rain through here through Saturday night. And then here's a look at very early Sunday morning as it starts to lift out. Might be a leftover shower, a few showers in the morning, but then partial clearing in the afternoon. So again, I don't think this weekend's going to be a total washout here. This is just a timing for the most part, just a Saturday night deal. Saturday evening window through about noon on Sunday. We'll give it that kind of window, and I think it improves here later Sunday. And then Monday looks dry right now. This is going to be something to change too. This particular model here is showing high pressure sitting right over the area. Have seen some other models are trying to bring another system in from the south here and bring us another chance of rain here on Monday into Tuesday. Right now, we're going to keep the forecast dry with the uncertainty. Just go with the hot hand right now. Just stick with that. Of course, anything when you get past say 3 days is really something to change, especially when you get into one of these patterns that we're not used to bringing some rain into our area, which has not been happening of late. So the models are kind of adjusting to things a little bit, and we will adjust too as they do. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers, and that is your outlook for September 9th, 2015. Have a great Wednesday.